To install the windshield wiper kit on your RZR XP, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface, ensure the vehicle is in park, and remove the key. Begin by removing the two hood fasteners, then move the hood rearward to remove. Vehicle equipped with T40 Torx screws from factory. Remove windshield if equipped. Refer to your windshield instructions for removal. Next, slide a pry tool under the front pocket fender. Then, gently lift the pry tool upward to free the driver's side front pocket fender from their clips. Remove and set aside. Repeat steps on the passenger side. Next, remove the 4 outer hood fasteners and set aside. Remove hood from vehicle and set aside. Now remove the center dashboard's 2 fasteners and set aside, and pull the panel rearward to remove. Next, to install the wiring harness, begin by placing the wiring harness on the vehicle dash. Route the 4 bullet connectors of the main harness through the firewall grommet. Then route the washer pump connector through the firewall grommet. Leave the windshield switch, fuse, and relays for later connection. Next, place switch connector near the switch plate. Then remove and discard a blank switch plate from the dashboard. Slide connector through the dashboard and align to switch and connect the switch to harness connector and snap into place in the dashboard. Next, install fuse relays to electrical mounting panel. Remove cap from Polaris pulse bar and install power connector. Then, insert RZR's wiper harness into circular opening in passenger side RZR's frame and slide it down the frame towards the opening at the bottom. Pull RZR's wiper harness from bottom of passenger side RZR's frame and align connectors with main wiper harness connectors. Then, connect RZR's wiper harness to main wiper harness. Match male and female wire colors. To install the washer bottle, begin by attaching 2 speed nuts to the 2 mounting brackets. Then install the 2 brackets to the washer fluid bottle with 4 speed nuts and 4 screws and torque to specification. Next, install washer fluid hose to the bottom of the washer fluid pump. Then connect the main wiring harness to the washer fluid pump with the connector. Now, remove the 2 screws from the chassis and install washer bottle assembly to the chassis using 2 new screws. Torque to specification. Attach clip tie to mounting bracket and route main wiring harness and fluid hose through the clip. To install the wiper assembly, start by using the windshield attach plate as a template and drill 2 holes through the plastic trim. Holes in metal attach plate are not enlarged. Drill only through the plastic trim. Next, slide the following hardware onto the arm stopper shaft: pivot bushing, cupped washer, and plastic washer. On the wiper arm shaft, slide the support spacer and rubber washer onto the arm. Then install the wiper motor by sliding the wiper arm shaft and arm stopper shaft through the drilled holes and attach motor to windshield frame with the following hardware. On the wiper arm shaft, attach a rubber washer, cupped washer, and a nut. On the arm stopper shaft, add a plastic washer, cupped washer, and a hex nut. Torque both nuts to specification. Next, put the wiper arm into the wiper blade and put the screw cap on the arm stopper shaft. Position wiper on windshield just in front of arm stopper. Then, lift wiper arm cap to reveal mounting bracket and install wiper arm onto wiper arm shaft with a washer and a nut. Torque to specification. Next, install the center dashboard panel with 2 retained fasteners. Torque to specification. To reinstall outer hood, put the hood on the vehicle in the installed position and install outer hood fasteners with 4 retained fasteners. Torque fasteners to specification. Next, place the front pocket fender around ROPS bar and into outer hood slot and gently push tab into clips until front pocket fender is secure. Repeat process on other side. To reinstall the windshield, lift the front of the roof and carefully tip windshield under roof and onto the ROPS frame. Next, attach the side clamps on both the left and right forward ROPS bars and use a rubber mallet to secure it in place. Once in place, tighten the locking screw in side clamps on both left and right forward ROPS bars. Torque to specification. Then lower roof into place and tighten bolts on the top of the windshield. Torque to specification. To connect wiper power, connect wiper motor to ROPS wiper harness connector and secure the ROPS wiper harness to the ROPS with cable ties. Next, turn wiper on and check movement. Wiper should move across windshield in the clockwise direction. To prepare the hood for the wiper nozzle, measure 5 inches forward from the center of the rear edge and mark accordingly. Drill a 21/64" hole in position marked on hood. Position nozzle through hole in hood and tighten nut until fully seated. The nut may need to be removed from nozzle prior to installation. Next, place hood in position but do not install. Then connect the wiper hose to the wiper nozzle. Next, fill reservoir to the line marked full. Do not overfill. Into outer hood panel and slide panel forward until tabs slide into front hood panel and install 2 provided thumb screws. Finally, test the washer fluid spray. Adjust as necessary. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.